Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Sonali from It Starts at Home, and today I'm sharing with you a book that I created for grade 2, and I made one for grade 1, K and pre-K. These books are going out today. And quickly getting into the book. Okay, it says read instructions and mark. Mark every fourth number, mark every second number, mark every odd number. So that's like how you're going to get started by just keeping it very simple and easy. Let's go forward. Read, observe, and solve. How many groups of 2? He needs to figure it out. Multiplication is required here. What comes next? That involves skip counting. What comes before? That's something that he needs to figure out. How many leaves are there below? Circle the correct number. I'm sorry, guys. I think my throat is going very bad. Sorry, just coming back to it. How many corners are there in this cube? The cube is right here, and there are 4 options. Okay. Rick is thinking of a number. His number is 15, and 15 is more than 45. Which number is she thinking of? Another question. There are 3 more questions here and a couple of questions here, and then you have the expanded form right here. Then we go and we have a couple of activities on English. This is 2, 2, and 2. You have 12 different lines here where you have to figure it out which is the correct word that fits in to the sentence. I think that's a pretty nice activity just to follow, and I think it just really helps you to get your concept clear on all these 3 words where kids really get very confused. Okay, parts of speech. So you have noun, verb, and adjectives. You need to categorize them in 3 sections, and the words are right here. From here you pick it up and you write it in the respective column. I'm sorry. Now it says describe the pictures by using adjectives for each one. So there are 6 images here. One as an option is already done. Ice cream is yummy. That's an adjective. And if the child doesn't know what's an adjective, I think by now I've made it for a child. I think by 2nd grade they already know, because that's something that you start in grade 1. I've still written the definition, like a small thing just for the reinforcement, and then they need to figure out a word or something that describes the flamingo right here. Oh, fractions. Okay, so this is a fraction page. I think I missed making it totally. Okay, I need to come back to this one. I'm sorry, guys. I'm glad that I checked it. Okay, brain teaser 1. So there's a brain teaser here which needs space for calculation, guys. This is something that I really like. You all know, like, brain teaser. So for a grade 2, I have made like 4 or 5, and I think they're going to be very, very interesting. There's another one here, brain teaser, which is like figure out the number of this. There are no numbers here, so the child has to figure it out totally. Again, this is a brain teaser. That's something I'm going to be trying with Vivaan. I introduced to him a couple of weeks back, and let's see if I will be giving this to him too to try it out today. And then one of my favorites, my own grid that I try and make, and he needs to replicate this with so many cells, columns. It'll be not very easy for him to figure out how to replicate it exactly in the same cell. And then it says plus 120-second quiz. There are these 7 questions that the child needs to answer in 120 seconds. If plus, that's all right, but it's something that you have to get going. That's more towards the brain teaser and mental maths. So that's it, guys. I really enjoyed making this book, and if you want printables of this, there'll be paid printables. My email address will be in the description box below. Please let me know, guys, if you're watching this channel, and if you haven't subscribed yet, you have to support my work and my art. Please give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe my channel. I will only be able to do all these things if I get the encouragement all the time from the viewers. I really appreciate you taking out time and watching my videos. So please give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.